Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to solve this problem to sum. Let's read the description first. Given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. Okay. Example 1. Input nums equal 2, 7, 11, 15. Target is 9. We know that 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. So we are returning indices of two numbers, not 2, 7, indices of two numbers. So 0, 1. Okay, so let's move to the implementation. We can use nested for loops, but which will produce O of n squared time complexity. But in this video, I'm going to use hash map, which will reduce time complexity, and I think this approach is easier and more understandable. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to initialize hash map integer. So this hash map will contain like, let's say, this index of 2 and value of that index. So if I want to save this 2 into the hash map, it will say 2, 0, like value 2 index is 0, like this. Okay, so hash map integer hash map new hash map, and I'm going to have a for loop which will iterate through the nums array, this array in parameter. I is less than nums.length I plus plus. Okay, and I'm going to check if the hash map contains target minus nums I. So for example, first iteration 2 and target minus num is 7. So I'm going to look for 7 in the hash map. So if the hash map has 7, then just return integer array index and index of target minus nums I, which is target minus nums I 7. So index of 7. If there's no such value, such key in the hash map, then I'm going to add hash map dot put. I'm going to add this value and index into the hash map. Okay, so that's it. It's pretty straightforward, right? But we still need a return statement outside of this for loop. But this description mentions that you may assume that each input would have exactly one solution. So the input always has one solution, but we still need this because of the syntax. It will throw a runtime exception. Not runtime exception. Anyway, so this return statement is to handle exception when we can't find indices of two numbers such that they add up to target. So makes sense. Alright, so that's it. So let's run the code. Accepted. I already tried this several times. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave comments. I will answer the question as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you next time.